Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Hashtag Vlogger. And for today's video, we are back at it again with another Japanese useful phrases part 3. So ngayon nasa part 3 na tayo, and this part would be about dating edition. So these are some of the most useful phrases when you're dating a Japanese man or woman. So ano ba bang hinihintay natin? Let's start! Hello everyone! So for today, again, from Tagalog or Taglish to Japanese. Okay, so let's... Sobrang gusto kita. Daisuki dayo. Ang ganda ng mga ngiti mo. Egao, sutiki ne. Okay lang ba kung mag-dinner tayo minsan? Isyo ni Dina demo do? Okay lang. Ii ne. Nag-enjoy ako. Tanoshika tayo? You're welcome. Do itashimashite. Pwede bang maging tayo na? Tsukiate kureru? Seryoso ba yan? Sore honki? Sana magkasama tayo ngayon. Isyo ni itai. Namimiss na kita. Aitai. Mahal kita. Aishiteru. So again, that is it for my video for today, guys. Again, thank you for watching and subscribing and for commenting on my videos and my vlogs. And thank you for your feedback and your comments and your suggestions kung ano pa yung mga next kong useful phrases to do. So thank you, and I do hope that you enjoyed my vlog today. Salamat, and I'll see you guys on my next vlog. So comment kayo or message me kung ano yung tingin yung, kung ano yung masasuggest nyong next useful phrases. And I'll try to do that. So yun lang. Thank you for watching and see you. Bye-bye.